Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Poplin from Super Mario Wonder. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to first start off in the center, and let's draw a curve across for the bottom of the hat. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the face. Let's start with two ovals on an angle like this. And now let's add a circle inside each one at the top. And now let's color the rest of the eyes in black. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve in the center and another curve underneath. And then lastly, let's add a curve inside for the tongue. Next, let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. We'll start at the top and let's draw a curve down and in from both sides. And then connect them at the bottom. And next, let's hop to the sides and let's draw an angled line down and in, like this. And that's it for the head. Now let's move to the top and let's draw the hat. Let's hop up in the center and let's draw two curves coming down. Now from both sides, let's draw another curve up and out. And then let's curve it back down and into the side of the head. Next, let's hop up again and let's add a small curve at the top to mark the top of the hat. And then from both sides, let's curve it back down. Next, let's hop inside and let's add some details. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve down. And then another one below it on the left side. Now in the center, let's draw two wavy lines. And then one more wavy line along the right side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and start drawing the body. From the sides of the head, let's curve it out on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's add another curve near the bottom here. Next, let's move down, and in the center, let's draw a set of angled lines down and out. And then a curve at the bottom. Now let's hop again to the sides and let's add another angle and the same thing on the right. And now for the bottom, let's curve it back in. Next, let's move to the sides and add the arms. Let's start with two angled lines on both sides. Now from the bottom line, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then from the top line, let's draw an angle out and curve it in. And then let's add two curves inside for the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw 2 curves down. And then 2 more on the outside. And then connect them at the bottom. And that's it for this poplin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!